Saudi Arabia's Eurofighter Typhoon fleet stands as a key component of the Royal Saudi Air Force, playing a crucial role in the country's defense strategy and regional military dominance. The acquisition of these aircraft has been a complex and, at times, politically contentious process. The initial deal, agreed upon in 2006, saw Saudi Arabia commit to purchasing 72 Typhoons, with deliveries beginning in 2008. Despite complications, including political disputes and renegotiations over pricing and configurations, the RSAF completed the acquisition by 2017. An additional purchase of 48 Typhoons has been in negotiation since 2018, with recent developments indicating a possible resolution to Germany's earlier blockade of the sale. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a highly capable multi-role fighter, boasting twin-engine power, canard delta wing aerodynamics, and advanced avionics. With a maximum speed of Mach 2.0 at high altitude and a service ceiling of nearly 20,000 meters, it excels in both air superiority and ground attack missions. The aircraft's armament includes a 27mm Mauser Bk-27 cannon and 13 hardpoints for a variety of missiles and bombs, providing the RSAF with a versatile combat platform. Additionally, Saudi Arabia is likely to seek an upgraded variant equipped with the European Common Radar System Mk2, an advanced AESA radar that would significantly enhance electronic warfare and target acquisition capabilities. Operationally, Saudi Typhoons have been actively deployed in key missions, most notably in the Saudi-led air campaign in Yemen and counterterrorism operations against ISIS in Syria. The aircraft's role in precision airstrikes, particularly using Paveway 4 guided bombs, underscores its importance in modern aerial warfare. While effective, these operations have drawn international scrutiny over civilian casualties and human rights concerns, leading to temporary arms export bans by Germany and the UK. In the context of regional air power, the RSAF's Typhoons compare favorably against rival platforms. Saudi Arabia's primary regional competitor, Iran, operates an aging fleet of American F-14s, MiG-29s, and Su-24s, none of which can match the Eurofighter's advanced avionics, agility, or firepower. The United Arab Emirates, another key military power in the Gulf, fields the French Rafale and American F-16E F Block 60, both formidable but arguably not as well balanced across multiple mission profiles as the Typhoon. Qatar's recent procurement of Rafales and F-15QAs presents a new challenge, but Saudi Arabia's anticipated acquisition of additional Typhoons with enhanced radar capabilities could sustain its qualitative edge. The future of the RSAF's Typhoon fleet hinges on securing the additional 48 aircraft, which would increase the total count to 120. As geopolitical factors and procurement policies evolve, Saudi Arabia may explore diversification of its Air Force assets, potentially incorporating next-generation platforms such as the F-35 or the Tempest, a sixth-generation fighter in development by the UK-led consortium. However, given the RSAF's significant investment in the Eurofighter, it is likely to remain a cornerstone of Saudi Arabia's air combat capability for decades to come. A critical element of Saudi Arabia's defense modernization efforts revolves around the localization of military production. Originally, the deal for the 72 Typhoons included provisions for assembling the final 48 aircraft in Saudi Arabia to bolster local industry. However, renegotiations resulted in all aircraft being assembled by BAE Systems in the UK. Despite this, the kingdom remains focused on developing its domestic aerospace industry as part of its Vision 2030 plan. Future Typhoon-related deals could involve greater technology transfer, training programs, and local maintenance capabilities, reducing dependency on foreign suppliers and enhancing national security. Beyond procurement, the operational integration of the Typhoon into RSAF tactics and strategy highlights its role as a key enabler of Saudi Arabia's regional deterrence posture. The aircraft's interoperability with other RSAF assets, including the F-15SA and Tornado, allows for coordinated air superiority and strike missions. This synergy provides Saudi Arabia with a layered air defense and offensive capability, enabling it to project power across the Middle East while deterring adversaries. One of the most significant advantages of the Eurofighter Typhoon in the RSAF is its adaptability to modern warfare. Equipped with advanced sensors, electronic countermeasures, and the ability to deploy a diverse range of weapons, it is highly effective in contested environments. Saudi Arabia's interest in the ECRS Mk2 AESA radar further reinforces this adaptability. The new radar would significantly improve the aircraft's situational awareness, electronic warfare capabilities, and target tracking precision, placing it on par with other leading fighter jets such as the F-35 and Rafale. From an economic standpoint, the Eurofighter program is not just a military investment, but also a strategic economic partnership between Saudi Arabia and the UK. BAE Systems' role in supplying, maintaining, and upgrading the fleet strengthens bilateral ties, while ongoing negotiations for additional aircraft continue to shape this relationship. The suspension of the 48 aircraft deal due to Germany's arms embargo in 2018 underscores the geopolitical sensitivities surrounding such transactions. However, with Germany recently lifting its opposition, the deal's finalization could mark a new phase in Saudi-UK defense cooperation. Despite the strengths of the Typhoon, challenges remain. The aircraft, while highly capable, faces competition from emerging platforms that incorporate stealth technology and more advanced sensor fusion capabilities. The Lockheed Martin F-35, in particular, presents a future challenge, as several of Saudi Arabia's regional allies, including Israel and the UAE, have acquired or are pursuing the aircraft. If Saudi Arabia aims to maintain air superiority, future acquisitions may need to include stealth fighters or further upgrades to the Typhoon's avionics, weapon systems, and stealth coatings. Moreover, the operational costs of the Typhoon are relatively high compared to some of its competitors. The aircraft requires significant maintenance and logistical support, making long-term sustainment a crucial factor in RSAF planning. Addressing these costs through enhanced local maintenance capabilities and spare parts production could mitigate long-term expenses while ensuring operational readiness. Ultimately, the Eurofighter Typhoon provides Saudi Arabia with a battle-proven, highly capable multi-role fighter that enhances its aerial dominance in the Middle East. With continued upgrades, potential new acquisitions, and further integration into RSAF strategic doctrine, the aircraft is set to remain a pillar of Saudi air power for years to come. As Riyadh continues to navigate the evolving geopolitical landscape, its decisions regarding the Typhoon fleet will significantly influence its military posture and defense partnerships well into the future.